Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your services with PeoplePerHour, detailed guide step by step clearly. Register an account on PeoplePerHour by visiting their website. Choose the sign up option located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your LinkedIn or Google account for quicker access. Once registered, complete your profile by adding a professional profile picture. Craft a compelling bio that highlights your skills and expertise. Specify your professional categories and subcategories to attract the right clients. Set your hourly rate based on market research and your level of experience. Add examples of your previous work to showcase your capabilities. Take advantage of the portfolio section to display your best projects. Ensure your profile is 100% complete to enhance your visibility. Once your profile is set up, begin browsing available projects that match your skills. Use the search filters to narrow down your options by budget, timeframe, and project type. Once you find a project of interest, read the project description thoroughly. Craft a personalized proposal that addresses the client's needs and explains how you can help. Highlight your relevant experience and provide examples from your portfolio. Keep your proposal concise, yet engaging. Be sure to include any questions you may have about the project to show your interest. Submit your proposal and wait for the client's response. Maintain clear communication with the client throughout the project. Establish deadlines and ensure you deliver high-quality work on time. Once the project is complete, request feedback and reviews from the client. Utilize positive reviews to enhance your profile and attract more clients. Continuously invest time in building your profile and skills to stay competitive in the market. Stay active on the platform by regularly applying for new projects. Network with other freelancers and potential clients to expand your opportunities. Monitor ongoing trends and refine your offerings accordingly. Consider investing in premium features that can boost your visibility on the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.